Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to talk about myself. My name is Mehrab Bhuiya Arbi, but you can call me Arbi. I am 9 years old. I read in class 3 at Bonusri National Ideal School. I am from Sonargarh, Naranganj, but now I live in Dhaka. There are 5 members in my family. They are my father, my mother, my younger brother, my grandma and myself. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. My grandma is a homemaker too. My younger brother is only 3 years old. My favorite color is red. My favorite food is chicken. My favorite person is my mother because he is so careful person and happy too. My main ambition is to be a doctor or a engineer. Thanks you all.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন। ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটের 3, ব্লক কে।